The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia announced its plans to sell shares of its state oil company Aramco 2 years ago. The stunning plan was billed as a way to generate a huge windfall. The kingdom would bring in billions of dollars by selling a mere 5% of Aramco on national and international stock exchanges.
In fact, the different stock exchanges have been competing with each other to attract the shares, the IPO of Aramco. In London, for example, there were proposals to change and modify some of the regulations which were very strict to allow them more flexibility so that Aramco, which is of course private company but really a national oil company, basically a government company, to be privatized as such.
Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman announced the privatization as part of his ambitious Vision 2030 scheme to modernize the kingdom's economy and society. Bin Salman is hoping to reduce the kingdom's dependency on oil revenue. But the kingdom's finances may be too tied up into its oil economy to untangle.
Being a government state oil company, its books have to be completely open. And yet it is very much intertwined, Saudi Aramco, as well as its oil operations, have been its finances intertwined with the Saudi government. For example, it does provide welfare, schools, and hospitals.
Bin Salman's attempt to take the state oil company public would have also put Saudi Arabia under closer scrutiny, not only financially, but it would have to be more accountable for its human rights record and an ability to ensure citizens the freedoms of expression and assembly. A publicly traded company would have to be transparent and accountable.
It's not really the Saudi way. It only behooves them. It would be a good thing to do so. It would be full disclosure. It's not a situation they're probably used to or comfortable with at this point, but it would be very good for them to come around to that type of reporting.
Two sources close to the public offering say financial advisors working on the proposal have been let go. They believe the kingdom is now considering investing in a local petrochemical maker and increasing revenues for Saudi Arabia from different markets. Chaderjian, Al Jazeera.